Look at this template before you. You are about to discover a very consistent strategy on how you can win the market 90% of the time. My name is FX Ninja. I welcome you back to our channel. Myself and my team, we have been using this system and this strategy to make a lot of money from the market, and I'm about to share that with you right now. So I want you to pay attention on how this works. If you are interested in this very template, make sure you go to the description of this very video right now. Join our Telegram channel, which you are going to find here. This is our Telegram channel, and make sure you chat the admin on how you can get this very template. But let me explain to you how this template works. Now, there is a consistent move in the market which the big people in the market use every time, and it has been found to be 90% productive and 90% profitable. Now, what is that move, and what is that consistent move in the market? It repeats itself all the time. Now I'm going to head over to a whiteboard over here, and I'm going to tell you that the market moves in this way. Okay, comes back, moves again, comes back, moves again. Okay, most often than not, this is how you're going to see the market move. And I want to tell you one thing, that whenever you are trading, always have what you are looking for in the market. Don't just follow the noise. Always have what you are looking for. Myself and my team, we have things we are looking for in the market, and I'm going to show you how we get that right now. Now, whenever the market is moving, there is always a high, okay, and a low like this. Now it moves this way. This is a high, okay, and this is another low. Now it go back again, probably break this previous high, okay, or comes back to break this previous low. All right, now in both ends we have a break of structure. A structure has been broken over here, all right, and a structure has been broken over here. Now, whenever a structure is being broken like this, okay, either to the upside or to the downside, price always comes back. Okay, in this case, it is supposed to come back to this area of order block, okay, and move back up, okay, and moves back up. But in this case, price has decided not to move back up. It has decided to break this previous, we have two market structure over here. This is 1 and this is 2. So price has decided to break this very one, okay, and it also broke this very one. But on returning, it did not respect the order block here, okay, so it broke this one down. Now that price has broken this order block down, what we are expecting is that there is another order block over here, all right, that price will go back into, okay, it will go back into this place, then later come back down to further break this structure. This is how the market always moves. Okay, in the other part, maybe the buy region, we can have price move like this. All right, break this structure over here. After breaking this structure upward, it will still come back to a place of order block here, all right, and further move up to break this structure. So I'm going to show you different examples of how that happens in the market, and how you can make a very good entry using an indicator. Okay, so this is it over here. That's why we have this template. Now what happens? This is a simple thing that happens in the market. You can see we have a break of structure here, BOS, we have a change of character over here, CHOCH, and you can see the label all around. Another thing you can see is the blue and red arrow. Now I want you to ignore the many arrows that you have. We are only going to make use of few of those arrows. Now if you observe very well, this is a high, okay, this is a high, and this is a low over here. Okay, remember I explained to you that price will always form a high and a low like this. Okay, so put that structure in mind and look at what happens here. This is a low and this is a high. This high comes, okay, and broke this low, previous low. Okay, and if you look again, this is a high over here in this case, and this is a low over here. Okay, so let's look at this first. Let's look at this first. Okay, let's take this into view first. This very one, this move up, down, then up again, down again, then up again. Now what happens here? If you look at this very structure very well, price form a low, form a structure, comes back, break that low by its, break that high, sorry, this high by itself. Okay, then what happens? Price came back to break this previous structure, which is what I was trying to explain to you over here, that price can come back to break a structure here. Okay, it broke this structure, then it should come back to an area of order block here to come down. And let's see what happened here. So price breaks this. Okay, after breaking this, it forms a change of character, and if you can see very well over here, price is supposed to come down to an area of order block here and move up, but it decided to break this low downward. Now after breaking it, all we are going to do is to grab our Fibonacci here, okay, and continue to follow price, okay, till this place. We are expecting price to make a move back into this order block region of our Fibonacci, but what happened? Price did not go back there. So we continue to extend our Fibonacci down to the new low. You can see now price moves back, and what happens? Price go back to our area of order block, and here we have a signal for the big move. So from here we have a signal here. Now you can see price moves back into our order block, and what happens? We have a signal over here, and price move back down. Okay, moves back down to where? To another area of order block over here. So because if you look at this, this is the first signal over here, this signal over here, we took it down, okay, and our stop loss is just going to be behind this extreme portion of our Fibonacci. So having that, once we put that there, then we can target, we can target price to come back to another area of order block here. Okay, another area of order block on our Fibonacci. You can see it there. Why are we targeting that place? We are targeting that place because if you notice, there is another move here of this low breaking a previous high. Okay, just like I explained, just like it happened here, this high broke a previous low here. Okay, break a previous low downward here, and that is why we are expecting price to come back to an area of order block here. Okay, so it moves back to an area of order block and moves down. So while moving down, there is another low here that has broken a previous high here, all right, which is going to make price to return back again in an area of order block over here. You can see the signal here. So these are another signal, and we expect price to break this previous high, and you can see how this moves. Okay, now if you look very well again, there is another, this low again is breaking another previous high, which this indicator has indicated for us here. So once we have this, then we can be rest assured that this low that broke this previous high, we can draw a Fibonacci like this, okay, and expect price to still come back to this our area of order block over here, this place. We still expect price to come back to this area of order block and do what? And move back up again. So that is what we are expecting on crash. Let's see on crash 100. Look at it. Oh my god. Okay, let's extend this just like this. Yeah, let's extend it. You can see that price later comes back there, okay, into our area of order block here. And what happened? We have a signal from our indicator. We have a signal, so which is to tell you that this is moving up. Crash 1000 is moving up to where? As it is moving up, you can see that this high again has broken another low here, giving us a change of character. So the only place this is moving up to is when we draw our Fibonacci here again, it will only move back to this point. It will break this low high, this previous high, move back to this point, and we can expect a signal around here to do what? To sell. Okay, to sell again. So this is how the market moves, guys. This is how the market moves, guys. You want to make sure you are trading the big move. You don't want to keep scalping and keep disturbing yourself about the noise in the market. I'm going to share with you just one more example, but I want to make sure that this video is not too lengthy. Okay, we have a 12 minutes counting. Okay, let's see another okay, let's see this. This is volatility 10s. Let's quickly look at this. If we can see what we are looking for. Okay, let's put it on a 15-minute time frame. You can use this on any time frame, depending on what you are looking for. So let's look at this. You can see we have a change of character over here. Okay, we have another change of character over here. So we can see another one here. You can see it labeled everywhere. So it is just for you to wait patiently and look for it to play out. Okay, wait for it to play out for you just to take your trades. Okay, now if you look at this, now over here we expect that price should come back into our area of order block here, just because this low broke the previous high over there, this over here. So we draw a Fibonacci and expect price to come back to our area of order block and move back upward. But what happened? Price came back into that order block, but what happened? There was never a signal. There was never a signal here, which means that this is invalid and we did not even take the trade, so we are not losing anything here. Okay, there was never a signal here. Now you can see that price decided to break this previous low, just like I explained to you here. The price can decide to break this low. All right, so when that happens, okay, when that happens, we know what we are expecting already. This has happened. What we are expecting is that this high over here has broken this previous structure. So what we are expecting is that price should come to an area of order block here. All right, come to an area of order block here, which is this. You can see internal order block. It will come back in here, then we can expect a signal around this region. Okay, we can expect an arrow to pop up around this region. So once we have that, then we sell back. We sell back maybe into this order, we can target this order block, and maybe price can now move back upward from here. Of course, it's going to move back upward from here, all right, to break this previous high, because a structure has been taken out here. Okay, a structure has been taken out here, so price is going to move this way, come back, then continue going back up to break this previous high here, this strong high here. So this is the target. So this is how the market moves, guys. This is how the market moves, and this is how we have been trading. So if you are interested in this system, make sure you go to the description of this video right now, click on a link that will take you down to our Telegram channel here. Then you can chat the admin hub to get the system. This is our Telegram channel, Learn and Earn. As you can see, the name of this YouTube channel that you are watching is Learn and Earn. So this is our Telegram channel. Over here we talk about trading generally, and also we talk about recently we started talking about cryptocurrencies also. So you make sure you join this our channel to see what we have there, and more importantly, to get this system for yourself. You can use this system on any chart at all. You can use it for crypto, you can use it for forex, you can use it for volatility. We have all the templates available. Just make sure to chat us up and be profitable once again. Enough of you losing trades to the market. So this is currently we have a signal on this volatility 10. You can see there was a break of structure over here. Yes, you see that's the signal over here. This is the signal. Yeah, on volatility 10 we have a signal. So this is a live one now. So now what happened? Why did we take that signal? We took the signal because this low over here took us this previous high, just as we explained. You see, it took out this previous high, and all we have to do is to draw our Fibonacci. The settings of this Fibonacci will come alongside when you are getting this very strategy. So we have price come into our order block over here. You can see it came into it over here. It first came into it over here and returned back, and we have a signal. Okay, but price decided to come back further, and our stop loss will be around here. It is also always behind the extreme like this. So our stop loss is over here. So by adventure we took this former arrow, then we have a drawdown like this, then we have another signal again to take us up. Okay, to take us up, and you can see we are buying volatility 10. This is how we trade, guys. This is how we trade, guys. So make sure you get your own system and join our channel and start trading profitably. Once again, I am FX Ninja. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.